Hey guys, welcome back to another video on Scylla's Stuff and Things. We're in the same clothes. We're cooking our St. Patrick's Day meal, but I wanted to talk about some treats that you guys could do with your kids or do without them, but for them. That's what we're doing today. So let's get cooking. You are way too interested in this, ma'am. So for Abigail, we're not gonna have you participate because she likes to grab things like this. So it's very stimulating and it's just too high of a probability for that to happen. So you can enjoy this treat once I'm finished, okay? Yeah, sounds like a plan. So first up, we are gonna make some Leprechaun Popcorn. I thought it might be fun. We are using Lucky Charms, of course. We're gonna use popcorn. We have green sprinkles, white chocolate chips that we're gonna melt down, some marshmallows, and green M&Ms. These are the chocolate fudge, but you could obviously use any kind you would like. So here we go, let's see what happens. First up, have to pop your popcorn. Now I'm just taking some Ghirardelli white chocolate chips because that's what they had. We're gonna put that in the microwave. We're gonna heat those up at a minute at a time and stir so we make sure we're not burning them. So you're just gonna take your chocolate, drizzle it over your popcorn. You kind of need to do all of these steps quickly because you're gonna need everything else to stick to the popcorn. I'm taking green sprinkles. You can pretty much play around and do whatever you want, like fun little things. I'm also using our green M&Ms. These are the fudge. You know, comment down below, let me know what kind of green topping would you put in here. And then we have some of these green sprinkles. Abby's so excited. How fun is that? You can add some little marshmallows, and then you could add the Lucky Charm marshmallows for the top. Isn't that so cute? It's just a fun little treat for the kids. You know, you could do it and put it in little bags if you want to send it to school with them, or you could just have it at home, however you want to do it. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. I'm not even going to add these marshmallows because I think that's enough. They're gonna have so much candy, we don't need to overload them. But there you go. There is our finished Leprechaun Popcorn. I will give you the original link for Pinterest. I think hers is a little bit different, obviously, because I have like different colors and stuff. So I will link that down below, but there you go. Idea number 2 for St. Patrick's Day is gonna be super cute little jars. This might be good for the classroom or neighbor kids, anybody like that. But I got 8-ounce jars, okay? You're gonna take some Rolos. They're gonna be like your pot of gold. You're gonna put those in the bottom of your jar. So like that. Then you can take Skittles or M&Ms, whatever you have multiple colors of, and make it like a rainbow. It's so fun. The kids are gonna love it. I will again include the link for the Pinterest person that came up with this, and they have little graphics that are like printables that you can print off for free to add to it. I just thought it was super cute. So that is our little rainbow. We have our pot of gold at the bottom. I used M&Ms because I didn't have blue Skittles. I think some do come with that, but I'm gonna put a little ribbon around this, and I don't know, just something fun for you guys to do with your kids. Comment down below, let me know. Do you guys do anything for St. Patrick's Day? We've always cooked a nice meal and just had a good time with our kids, but I hope you found something you could do with your kids. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next time. Bye, guys.